Something truly fascinating happens when you put yourself in the situation out of your comfort zone. Hi guys, my name is Rhea and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about doing something different because you can. I'm not gonna sit and talk about okay, you should do this and this and this not, but it's like instead of bed rotting all day, sofa rotting all day, it should be something कि आप कुछ करें. It could be anything from doing whatever you want, like basic things, basic cheese. If you start, it should be something just cleaning your bed, just making sure organizing your stuff, cleaning your table. I'm not gonna pretend that I don't like relaxing or just bed rotting. It's something that you should do something for yourself to get out of your comfort zone. If you feel stuck at somewhere, at some point you should do something. अब उसके लिए it is something that you should do, set some goal or you should do blah blah blah. But सबसे main basic चीज ये है कि how you manage yourself, how you ensure कि आपका रूम कितना अच्छे से क्लीन हुआ हुआ है. We all like bed rotting and being lazy, but the thing is, cleaning your room at the first thing in the morning validates you and makes you feel that you did something. It could be anything, just organizing your table or organizing your books or whatever you feel like, but do something instead of just bed rotting or just feeling lazy. Because जब आप कुछ करते हो ना उठ के or whatever it is, some physical activity, तब you feel nice. Trust me, if you're feeling low at some point, just do something. Just get out of your bed and just clean your bed. You feel nice. You definitely will feel nice. Okay, just try it. One. If you're feeling low in life and feeling depressed and not the way you usually were, so it's okay. It's okay to feel low at some point. It's okay if you're feeling like shit today. It's okay to be at bed today. Just do bed rotting. Okay, it's okay. But completely उसी zone में चले जाना is not something you should go for. Because जब आप अपने mind को divide कर लेते हो ना कि I'm gonna just bed rot today, तो you will start doing it consistently और आपको realize भी नहीं होगा कि कब आपकी आदत बन जाएगी. So instead of making it your habit, just start doing something. It could be anything. Whatever you like, whatever you want, just do something instead of just bed rotting. You can do it, okay? I know you can. Trust me. If you feel like you are not doing enough and you are not doing the way you should, if you feel like you are behind your potential, if you feel like you are not the way you want to be, so it's okay. Just accept the fact you are not there yet. Just accept it. Because जब आपके अंदर acceptance आ जाती है ना, then you can take actions. उसके बाद ही you can rewire yourself or reconstruct your life. Because when acceptance hits na, तब you realize कि now you have to take some actions towards the life you want. You have to do the shit out of it instead of just being delusional or neglecting the way कि it's okay, हो जाएगा. Accept it कि अभी नहीं हो रहा. जो करना चाहते हो उसके लिए rewire it or reorganize your stuff. क्या गलत हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से you are not there yet. You have to rearrange your plans. You have to rearrange your life. That's the only way. No one's gonna come and save you. You gotta save yourself. And I know you can. No, I can too. Stop wanting to be that person. Be that person. Because if you just be that person, then आपका mind उसके अंदर believe करना शुरू कर देगा कि now you are that person. For example, if you wanna be a chef, so think like a chef. Like how you see yourself in 5 years. If you wanna be a chef and right now you are not there yet, so you have to start doing the things जो कि that chef will be doing after 5 years. You have to rewire your schedule. You have to rewire your plans. You have to rewire your daily routine to get there. Because that person is not doing what you are doing now. So you have to challenge yourself. You have to make sure that you are doing the same things that the person in the future is doing. If you feel like not doing that shit now, then you will not be doing that shit in the future. If you wanna be a photographer, तो start doing photography now. There is no other way कि आप 5 साल बाद आपके पास सब कुछ gears आ जाएंगे and you will be the best photographer. You have to start doing from where you are. Then you will be there where you want to be. You have to start now. You could name so many people जिन्होंने life में अपनी बहुत कुछ किया है. In the history, you could take so many names. But the thing वो जो करना चाहते थे वो तभी कर पाए बिकॉज दे हैड द डिजायर टू डू व्हाट दे वांट टू एंड फॉर दैट डिजायर दे डिड व्हाट दे वांटेड टू बिकॉज ख्याली पुलाव के साथ तो कुछ भी होने से रहा ना। ख्याली पुलाव अगर आप बनाते रहेंगे तो यू विल एंड अप जस्ट बीइंग अ शेख चिली, और शेख चिली नहीं बनना हमने। वी हैव टू बी समवन जो के एक्शंस लेता है, वी हैव टू बी समवन जो के वो काम करता है जो के वो कहता है। That's the only way you can succeed and that's the only way you will find your answers. There is no other way कि आपके questions के आपको answers मिलेंगे if you will never go for it, if you will never search for it. No one's gonna tell you कि बेटा ये इसके आंसर है, ये ऐसे ऐसे करो तो ऐसे ऐसे हो जाएगा. You have to find your own way. Make sure कि you have a positive energy, you have a positive aura. Instead of being a person जो कि हर वक्त आवाज़ार रहता है और हर वक्त कहता रहता है कि no, there is no hope, there is no light, there is nothing that's gonna work for him. So instead, why not be a light in that darkness? Be optimistic instead of being an optimist. Be optimistic instead of being a pessimist. Because when you look at something with a negative vision, तो वो negative ही होगा ना. जब आप उसको एक positive angle से देख ही नहीं रहे, then you will never find the positivity and positive energy in that. You have to figure yourself out. You have to be the smartest person in the room. You have to be the best person in the room. And if you cannot be that person, then it's okay. You should learn from the people जो कि आपसे अच्छा कर रहे हैं. You should learn from the people जो कि आपसे better कर रहे हैं. Your learning should never ever stop. जहाँ पे आपको लगेगा ना कि now I know everything, now I am the best person in the room, I am the best, तो फिर आपकी learning रुक जाएगी. Now you are like the person, eldest person in the family जो कि कह रहा होता है I am always right, I am always this and that. You don't want to be that eldest uncle, तो it's better कि खुद के लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए you became a good person जिसकी एनर्जी अच्छी है, जिसका ऑरा बहुत 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 अच्छा है. ओके, I myself figured it out कि when I do the hardest things जो कि मेरे comfort zone से different होती हैं, I find myself the happiest because जिसके बाद when you complete that thing, when you complete that task or whatever it is, you feel validated by your own actions. And that validation is something जो कि you cannot earn because जब आप कह रहे हो और वो जो चीज़ आप कर रहे हो, it gives you so much confidence. I can't tell you कि आपको कितना अच्छा फील होता है. It's something वही लोग फील कर सकते हैं जिन्होंने लाइफ में जो कहा और वो करके दिखाया. ठीक है, so do something जो कि आपको लगता है कि आप कर सकते हो and you can do it. Okay, I know you can do it and just trust me and trust yourself too. Do one thing that scares you, whatever it is. One thing जो कि आप काफी अर्से से करना चाहते थे but you still never be able to do that. Just try it for once. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? Failure will hit, or people will make fun of you, or people will say कि wow, but इसने ये try क्यों नहीं हुआ? तो it's okay ना. At least आपको खुद को तो कोई regret नहीं ना हो कि I wanted that thing and मैंने वो नहीं की. Instead कि आप जो चीज करना चाहते हो, चार लोग क्या कहेंगे ये सोच के आप नहीं कर पा रहे. Just go try it. Not being the most smartest person, but being the most positive person is something that you can do, definitely. And when you start doing that, na, inshallah, in after like years or can say in months, you can be the best. You can be the best. You can be the most smartest person in the whole room.